Okay, this video is for many of us that have a G20 Series BMW. This one is an American version, so left-hand drive. The specific model of this one is a 2019 330i. I had lost power here to my cigarette lighter. I replaced the fuse in the rear of the trunk. I can show that later. That was not the one that feeds this one, but the one that feeds this one is referenced on the diagram here as the FB or fuse box front right. If you look at the picture here, this is the indicator. The top one there says fuse F46 and F237. F237 is the one that's in the trunk on the right-hand side behind the panel. That one is easy to locate. This is the one that is in the front right passenger with close to the A-pillar. That's what most of the references say, but it's actually almost right at the top of where your feet would be. Well, a little to the right. It's still on the right-hand side, and I'll show you that location in a second. But the fuse number is F46. It is a 20 amp fuse. So to get to that, there are two attachments on the underside of the glove box. They have some fairly simple turn buckles here. Let me see if I can show it. This is one of them, and then there's one on the left. This whole plastic piece drops down. Once you turn those, you can then remove this. I'll demonstrate that here. There is a light there for lighting the passenger side. You will need to disconnect that. It's not a locking connector. Just grab it with a small pair of needle nose or a flathead and push it out. The fuses are then located on the right side of the kick panel. So it's up in this area here. You can just make those out. The one that I have replaced is the yellow 20 amp just to the left of the purple module. Okay, so there is a view of the piece that you do have to remove to get access to this. I did decide to post this, certainly my first time, so excuse anything, but I had so much difficulty finding the proper information on the web about this G20 model. I felt it was worth sharing. Hopefully it's helpful for you as well.